Hello and welcome to another allotment diary. It's stopped raining. I'm not wearing my paper coat for a change. James keeps saying it's like my signature now, because if you look at all my thumbnails, it's just me and my paper coat, like loving life in the rain. So I've just got here now and come to check on my pumpkin. They don't look dead, or at least they don't look any more dead than they did yesterday. They haven't been eaten from the looks of things. And yeah, I think I'm quite happy. This one, he's still so annoyed at me. Like, he's like, just let me die, please. And I don't mind if he does, because this one can just take over this area and then I'll have that area then to play with. I mentioned yesterday about the compost and the potatoes, but I had a thought before coming over, and I don't think the containers have holes at the bottom. No. Oh, hang on. Oh, they do. They do this, yeah. That was a nice surprise. I genuinely thought I couldn't use them. I know Brian did say that he had used them before, but then I was thinking, no, maybe he didn't. But he did. He obviously did. There's holes in them. I can plant potatoes. It's exciting. That's what I'm going to do now. If you didn't know, my pot's right at the bottom, so I've got to walk past everybody else's. And it's all looking alive now. Everything's starting to kind of come to life. Things are starting to look really green now. And things have started to pop up. I'm not jealous. I've never grown potatoes before, so I watched a little video before coming out. Bear with. This isn't a tutorial. If you watched my video from a couple of days ago, these are the potatoes that I left out in the rain. Someone commented to say that I needed to use them like as soon as possible. It's like been a week and a half. I'm not listening, am I? They're quite soft. I don't know, but that's how they look. I think I'm gonna stick 3 in there. Oh, they're quite small. I might should put 4. You're all such good with like advice. I wish you were like here right now to tell me if I'm doing things wrong, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna plant these 4. Let's see how far one bag takes me. I'm not even going to pretend to know how deep that is, but there it is. And the video said to have them pointing up. And I just need to cover those. Cover them a couple of inches, and then when they start to grow through, I'll just cover them a bit more. Feels like I've had those potatoes forever. They should have gone in sooner. I could use that as another bucket to grow them in, but at the moment it's the only thing I've got to collect water, but I'm looking around for some other things. There's another 2 buckets there, but they're stuck into each other. I don't know if the drainage will be any good. I'll have a look. It's not coming apart, but I'll just plant it in here anyway, because it's not being used for anything useful. And there's drainage holes at the bottom of both of them, so it should work, shouldn't it? That feels nice and productive. And now the fun bit is over. I gotta go back to the hard work. But before I start that hard work, I just want to bring to you guys' attention is I don't know the difference between a spade and a shovel. Someone politely pointed out that I got it wrong, and even now I can't remember which way I got it wrong. I think I called this a spade. I called them both spades, but apparently, now let me get this right. That's the shovel and that's the spade? Come on, like, what's the difference? I thought a shovel was like pointy. I could be wrong. I'm definitely wrong, and I don't know. Still learning. I'm gonna use the shovel spade today anyway, whatever. I'm nearly there. I've just got that much to go, and then I'll have to do it all again before putting the weed membrane down. But it's getting late now, so I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.